Hello friends, welcome to Physics Live channel. Today we are going to study the representation of wave function in position space and momentum space. Wave function can also be written in different spaces. If we know the wave function is position space, we can convert it into momentum space or in k space. Psi of p is the wave function in momentum space, psi of k is the wave function in k space. Wave function in position space psi of x is equal to 1 by under root 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity phi of k e raised to I kx dk. Okay. In momentum space phi of k is equal to 1 by under root 2 pi h cut integral minus infinity to plus infinity psi of x e raised to minus I kx dx. We can change k in terms of p. We know that momentum is equal to h cross k, so k is equal to p by h cross. So substitute p by h cross, so we can represent the momentum space in terms of p also. Find the wave function in wave vector space phi of k for square wave packet. Psi 0 of x is equal to a raised to I k naught of x for mod x is less than or is equal to a minus a less than x less than a. 0 for mod x is greater than a, that is otherwise. So find the factor a so that psi of x is normalized to unity. So first we have to find the normalization constant and then we have to find the wave function in wave vector space phi of k. So a is find by, we know that the normalization condition, that is minus infinity to plus infinity integral psi star of x I of x dx is equal to 1. So here we know that the function is only defined in from minus a to plus a. So minus a to a e raised to minus I k naught of x, that is I star of x, and a e raised to I k naught of x dx is equal to 1. A into a, that is mod a square integral minus a to a, here e raised to minus x e raised to x, that is e raised to 0 into dx is equal to 1. After integrating we get that x and put the limits and we get the answer as mod a is equal to 1 by root 2a. So we get the function in position space, that is 1 by root 2a e raised to I k naught of x. And next we have to find the wave function in momentum space. So here we find that 1 by under root 2 pi h cut integral psi 0 of x e raised to I k x dx is the equation for this, and psi 0 of x is this value, so substitute this and we know that 1 by root 2a, that is constant and take outside, e raised to I k naught minus k x ds. We know that e raised to n into e raised to m, that is e raised to n minus m. Here we know that e raised to I k naught of x and e raised to minus I k x. So we know that e raised to n into e raised to minus m means e raised to n minus m. So we get like this, and we know that integration of e raised to x means e raised to ax means e raised to ax divided by a. So here also e raised to I k naught minus k into x divided by I k naught minus a k, and put the limits and we get the here is a constant and take outside and also put the limits and we get that to ix minus e raised to minus iax form. So that is, we know that sine x, that's equal to e raised to ix minus e raised to minus ix divided by 2i. So it can be replaced with the 2i into sine k0 minus k into a. 2i and 2i cancel, so we get that the answer as sine k naught minus k into a divided by k naught minus k under root pi a h cut. Okay. Consider the question. Suppose that the wave function of a particle is given by psi of x is equal to a e raised to I p naught x divided by h cut. Find phi of p. So psi of x is equal to a e raised to I p naught x by h cut. So we can find psi of b by for formula 1 by under root 2 pi h cut integral psi of x e raised to minus I p by h cut x dx. Okay. So we put the equation, that is 1 by under root 2 pi h cut integral minus infinity plus infinity a e raised to I p naught x divided by h cut e raised to minus I px by h cut dx. And we know that e raised to n into e raised to minus m, that is e raised to n minus m. So we get like this, and we know the formula, that is delta of x minus a, that's equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity e raised to plus or minus I k x minus a in dk. Delta of x is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity plus infinity e raised to minus or plus I k of x dk. Okay, so we know this formula, and we convert into a form of Dirac delta. We multiply with under root 2 pi, divide with the root 2 pi. So we make it in the form of Dirac delta form. So under root 2 pi a divided by under root h, here root 2 pi into root 2 pi 2 pi into integral of minus infinity plus infinity e raised to I p naught minus p into x divided by h cut dx can be changed as delta of p naught minus p divided by h cut. Okay, formula, that is delta of ax is equal to 1 by a delta of x. Delta of x by a is equal to a into delta of x. Here delta of p naught minus p divided by h cut. Here we can replace it with a into h cut into delta of p naught by p naught minus p under root 2 pi h cut a into h cut delta of p naught minus p. Phi of p is equal to a into under root 2 pi h cut delta of p naught minus p. Consider this question. The wave function of a particle psi of x is equal to 2 by a power 3 by 2 x e raised to minus x by a, where x is greater than 0 and 0 for x is less than or equal to 0. Sketch the wave function and find phi of p and phi of p mod square. Find the most probable value of momentum. So first we know that here the wave function in position space is given. So we have to find the sketch of this wave function. That means it is a exponential function. So, and also we know that at x equal to 0 the function gives value 0. At x equal to infinity also the function gives 0. So the graph has an exponential function, and next we are going to find the wave function in momentum space. When phi of p is equal to 1 by under root 2 pi h cut integral minus infinity plus infinity psi of x into e raised to I p by h cut into x dx. So we substitute the wave function, and also we know that integral 0 to infinity only the function is exist, and here e raised to minus x by a and e raised to minus I p x by h cut. So we can write it as a e raised to minus of 1 by a plus I p by h cut into x. Here a 2 by a power 3 by 2 is a constant and take outside. And here we know that it is a constant, so it is termed as a b. So e raised to minus bx into x. Here we can use the integration by parts, that is first function into integral of second minus integral of derivative first into integral of second. So we can use first function as x and second function as exponential function. So x into e raised to minus bx by minus b 0 to infinity minus integral of 0 to infinity 1 into e raised to minus bx by minus b. So we can here one more integration, that is e raised to minus bx divided by b square, and after putting the limits, and we get the answer as 1 by b square. So b is, we know that the constant function 1 by a plus I p by h cut is taken as b. So 1 by b square means 1 by a plus I p by h cut all square. Okay, so we get the function as like this, and after cutting the common values, common variables, we get the answer as, next we go to find phi of p mod square, that is phi of p into phi star of p. Phi of p is given by the formula here. So phi of p into phi star of p means just conjugate of the function. So we take sign change on only in the imaginary part. So we get that h cut minus aip mod square only change, and after multiplying we know that a plus b whole square into a minus b whole square. Here we can use the formula that is a plus b into a minus b, that's equal to a square minus b square. So here a square is h cut square minus aip mod square is minus of a square p square. So after this h cut square plus a square p square, here all square is there, so all square. So we can get the answer as phi of a h cut all cube divided by pi into h cut square plus a square p square all square. Next question it is to find the most probable value. We know that the most probable value means the probability maximum value. Probability maximum find by d by dp of phi of p mod square, that is probability density. Most probable value of momentum is the question. So d by dp of 2a h cut all cube divided by pi h cut square plus a square p square all square is equal to 0. Okay, and after that finding the derivative, we know that 2a h cut all cube divided by pi is constant and 1 by x all square is minus 2 by x cube, and here the derivative that is 2a square p, and equated to 0, we get the momentum value as 0. So we get the most probable value of momentum as 0. Let's consider a particle of mass m confined in a region minus a less than or is equal to x less than or is equal to a, whose wave function psi of x is equal to a from minus a to a and 0 elsewhere. So find the wave function in momentum space. Here the wave function in position space is given. We know that how to find the normalization constant, that is minus integral minus infinity to plus infinity mod psi square dx is equal to 1. So here the function only exists from minus a to a. So a square into integral minus a to a dx is equal to 1. After finding the integration, we know that a is equal to 1 by under root 2a. Okay, and we know that the wave function in position space is given. So we have to find the wave function in momentum space, that is phi of p is equal to 1 by under, we know that 1 by under root 2 pi h cut integral minus infinity plus infinity psi of x into e raised to minus I k x dx. So here psi of x is 1 by under root 2a and 1 by under root 2a. So we take the constant, take outside, and e raised to minus I k x integration, that is e raised to minus I k x divided by minus I k, and putting the limits, and we get the as e raised to minus ika minus e raised to ika. So we can change this in the form of e raised to ix minus e raised to minus ix divided by 2i form. So we get it as a sin ka form. So answer as 1 by k under root pi h cut a e raised to ik minus e raised to minus ik divided by 2i, that is sin ka. So 1 by k under root pi h cut a sin ka. Next question is psi of x is equal to a e raised to minus a mod x. We have to find psi of p. To find the normalization constant minus infinity to plus infinity, a e raised to minus a mod x, a e raised to minus a mod x dx, that is psi star psi. So a square integral of minus infinity plus infinity e raised to minus a mod x dx. A square into minus infinity to 0 e raised to 2ax plus 0 to infinity e raised to minus 2ax dx. We can separate the integration limit because here mod x in minus infinity to 0 range, that is minus x, so we can change it as a e raised to 2ax, and 0 to infinity it is x only, so we get the answer function as e raised to minus 2x. So we can separate the mod function in the two negative range as a minus and positive range as plus. So we get the function as like this, and separate integrate both. After separate integration, we get answer as a square into e raised to 2ax divided by 2a minus infinity to 0 plus e raised to minus 2ax divided by minus 2a 0 to infinity. Putting the limits, it's 0. After putting 0, we know that 1 by 2a. Infinity, e raised to minus infinity is 0. Here also putting infinity is 0. Putting 0, that is minus 1 by 2a. Already there exists minus, so we get the answer as 1 by 2a. So 1 by 2a plus 1 by 2a, we get the answer as 1 by a. So answer as a is equal to under root 2a. So we can by heart this idea to get the normalization factor of a function which in the form of a e raised to minus a mod x means the normalization constant as the root of a, means that the normalization constant is the coefficient of mod x. Okay, which like e raised to minus a mod x form the normalization constant as root of the coefficient of mod x, that is root a. After finding the normalization constant, we next going to find the wave function in momentum space, that is 1 by under root 2 pi h cut integral minus infinity plus infinity psi of x e raised to minus I k x dx. So substitute the wave function and we can separate integrate because there is a mod x function. So minus infinity to 0 and 0 to infinity, we get two functions using minus infinity to 0 mod x as minus x and in 0 to infinity mod x as x only. So we get e raised to two functions, and after integration we know that e raised to ax means e raised to ax divided by a. So here only e raised to a minus ik into x divided by a minus ik, e raised to minus a minus ik into x divided by minus a minus ik. After putting the limits and we get the answer, and after simplifying by cross multiplying each other, and we get the answer as 2a divided by a square plus k square into under root a divided by 2 pi h cut. This is the answer for this question. Next, psi of x is equal to a e raised to minus x square divided by a square. Find psi of p. So first we have to find the normalization constant. Integral minus infinity plus infinity a square e raised to minus 2x square divided by a square dx is equal to 1. We know that the normalization constant is given by minus infinity plus infinity psi star of x into psi of x dx is equal to 1. Here psi star and psi of x is equal to same, so we get the function as like this, and a square is constant, take outside. Here it is a Gaussian function. We know that integral of minus infinity plus infinity e raised to minus a mod ax square dx is equal to a Gaussian function. So we can use the Gaussian formula, that is integral of minus infinity plus infinity e raised to minus a x square dx is equal to under root pi by a. Okay, so we get the answer here it as under root pi by a means here 2 by a square. So 2 by a square means pi a square divided by 2. So after simplifying we get the answer as a is equal to 2 by pi a square all power 1 by 4. So here a trick, that is we can find the normalization constant of any Gaussian function by 2 by pi into coefficient of x square all power 1 by 4. Here the coefficient, you know that the a, so 2 by pi a all power 1 by 4. Here we know that the by seeing the wave function we know that the coefficient of x square is 1 by a square. So 2 by pi into 1 by a square all power 1 by 4 as the normalization constant. Here next we are going to find psi of p, that is 1 by under root 2 pi h cut integral of minus infinity plus infinity psi of x into e raised to minus I k x dx. Substitute the psi of x here, and here we put the constants outside, and here e raised to function we have an integration formula, that is minus infinity plus infinity e raised to minus of ax square plus bx is equal to under root pi by a e raised to b square by 4a. By comparing these two, we know that under root pi by a means a is 1 by a square, and bx means b is ik. So under root pi by a 1 by a square, e raised to b is plus ik all square divided by 4 a also 1 by a square. So substitute these and filling the common variables and we get the answer as under root a by h cut 1 by 2 pi all power 1 by 4 e raised to minus k square a square divided by 4 is also a Gaussian. Okay, we get the wave function in momentum space as under root a by h cut 1 by 2 pi all power 1 by 4 e raised to minus k square a square divided by 4. This is in k space. So we get in the form of also e raised to minus a k square. So here it is also a Gaussian. So we thank you for watching.